going to show y'all how to make almond macaroons. So, first for your ingredients, you want to do 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup of almond flour, 3 room temperature eggs, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and then you need a Ziploc bag or a pipe, and then food coloring is optional. And for icing, you need 1/2 cup of softened butter, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 3 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of almond extract. Okay, and now for other supplies, you're going to need some sort of baking mat that isn't parchment paper or foil because it'll stick. So I have a macaroon one, but I will also be using regular baking mats. And then you need some sort of stand mixer, baking trays, and a big measuring cup. And then before you start, you want to preheat your oven to 315.
Okay, so here I'm just starting off my macaroons by sifting out a cup of almond flour and 2 cups of powdered sugar. And while y'all watch how I made these macaroons, I thought I'd share how they oriented, some history, and just some fun facts about them. They were introduced to France during the Renaissance and were made popular by Catherine de Medici. And since then, they have elevated into a popular worldwide spread dessert we know today. Some facts about macaroons that I just found interesting is that they are naturally gluten-free, which I love. Some people view macaroons as edible art. National Macaroon Day is on March 20th. And traditionally, macaroons are only made with 3 ingredients: egg whites, sugar, and almond flour. And in 2023, the macaroon market was placed at a value of $758.9 billion.
We just finished cooking, so now it's time to start the icing.
The icing recipe is super simple. It is just whisking all of the ingredients together and then, depending on what consistency you want, adding milk, depending on it. I didn't have to add any, it turned out. But yeah, this is my finished product. Okay, so I'm all done. These are my macaroons. I am very happy with how they turned out. And yeah. Thank you.